Nongrwai Nongbak Shillong, Jayanta Saha, Rung Shakathop ki khan rungut, kepada final round, Jongkorasani Kyrwoh, kebelatip kum ke India's Talent Fight Season 6, kebelas sedang au berai nopra, Jong senam beladam. Yakni keransani kop, lakan tiwi kadu anu Malik, Nongrwai nong tausur berpaunam ke Bollywood, Ushakti Kapoor, bat keneha dupia. Yakni kecing kop, labani lembaga 9XM Music Channel, Hangama Play, VI, Airtel Extreme, Amazon Fire TV, but ITF Beats. Habakran sila pasai kubur Shillong Press Club aga laiterek rumpang arjar pun riau. Jayanta ulai kublai ya borok kiba jengkershani hak jingyat kecing kop. Ula pente bru bulo syajet bani simbenta kecing kop kasare gamapa.
Actually, I got selected. Previous time I got selected on 50. So my TV round already started. Now I'm on top 16. So means top 16 means I'm on final now. And from the April it will start. From the April 6th April, my final will be start. So from the Indian, first of all, thanks to Indian Talent Fight, because for the just Indian Talent Fight today, I got many projects on Bollywood industry, Tollywood industry, because last month only I got selected on Zee Bangla Saregamapa. So on there also now I'm in top 25. And this for Saregamapa shoot will start from 15 February. So thank you everyone, thank you Shillong for supporting me. Thanks my friends, thanks my family. They did lots of support. Without the support, I'm nothing. I'm big zero. And thanks to everyone. This month, actually, when I completed my shoot for Saregamapa. So when I was coming, so there was a bad news. Actually, my grandmom, she was expired, and her name was Anjali Dey. So just because of that, I'm little bit disturbed, So it's fine. It's a part of the life. It's not about small state. The thing is you have to work hard. Small state or big state, it's a nothing. And in Meghalaya, there's many gold things, but you have to find out. Tell everyone, just keep hard work. You can do anything on your life. My journey was started from 2022. So I got rejection on 2022. Many people said no, you have to more practice, you can't sing, this and that, lots of things. So after that I thought no, it's fine, because I have to struggle. So after that I started a new journey. Now I got I have 2-3 projects on my hand.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.